सो हाय ऑल, एज वी आर डिस्कसिंग, आज हमें सबसे ज़रूरी टॉपिक के ऊपर डिस्कस करना है, हाउ टू प्रिपेयर फॉर IELTS इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग. IELTS speaking. This is very very important because most of the students or professionals, when they prepare for IELTS speaking, there are some areas that you have to focus, because remember that you prepare for 3-4 months, or even some of them prepare for 6 months, but when finally interview comes, there you have some problems. And because of that problem, a candidate who can score 7.5, or even a candidate who can easily score 8, 8.5, 9 is something highest in IELTS, but 7.5 you can easily score if you listen and follow what I am telling now. This is the first section where I am going to talk about how to prepare for IELTS. In second section, I am going to talk how to face IELTS interview. And now we are going to talk about how to prepare for IELTS speaking. As you all know, in IELTS we focus on LSRW, listening, speaking, reading and writing. And now I am here talking about IELTS speaking. When I say speaking, what is very important in speaking? Some general observations I am just sharing with you, that most of the students, when they prepare, where they lack. Generally, most of the students, they never pay attention to the structure. There is also a problem with the mindset, and something which is a very big thing, which really creates a big problem in scoring high marks in IELTS or a high score in IELTS, is your attitude towards English. And very very important, silly mistakes that you make while appearing for the interview for IELTS speaking. So now we are going to discuss that in detail. We have next powerful 4 minutes that you are going to spend with me, which is very very powerful. The tips which I am going to share, they are highly important. I have been an English communication coach for last 10 years, where I have trained IELTS students for GRE and even for other competitive exams, and we are more into interview preparations as well, where I am an expert of GDPI, group discussion and personal interview preparation, even for IELTS. So what is very very important now, IELTS speaking, when we think of IELTS speaking, what is very very important? First and foremost, whenever you are preparing for IELTS, prepare your mindset for communication. Because you have prepared reading so well, you have done so well listening, even writing wise you're good, but speaking is all about mindset. So whenever you are preparing for IELTS speaking, in mindset, remember 3 things: that your English should be very very simple, because if your English is complicated and if you use bombastic words, or I would say the jargon, so avoid that. Second, very very important in mindset, always keep practicing. Say for example, I hope you know how our brain conditions, or how our brain functions. Say for example, I have my interview next month, so every day I am going to speak in front of mirror for 7 minutes and 21 days. How many days? 21 days. Because 7 minutes अगर मैं हर रोज practice करूँगा, तो 21 days में I will condition myself for speaking. And overall your speaking in IELTS is not more than 11 minutes to 13 minutes. So keeping that in mind, you must think that in mind. So first and foremost, mindset. Second thing, keep it very very simple. Third thing, when we think about IELTS, which is really very very important, that we all should focus and we all should be considerate, your structure. So in mindset, you must keep in your mind that English is very very simple, and I am going to speak with that mindset. Second thing, which is very important, that I am going to practice every day for 21 days. For 7 minutes. How many minutes? 7 minutes. And second thing, very very important, when you are preparing for IELTS, you have to focus on your structure. When I say structure, I find 5 core areas where most of us have a problem. So first and foremost, tenses. You must be very good with the tenses. Then you should be good with modal verbs, then article, then preposition, then conjunction. These are basics that you should know, and you are not supposed to make silly mistakes. What are the silly mistakes in structure? Like some basic areas, like silly mistakes, like I am knowing you, or I am knowing him. Then I am understanding the problem. I am working hard. I am helping him. Would be right. I am understanding. I am knowing. I am believing is wrong, because these are the stative verbs and you cannot use them as a dynamic verbs. But helping is a dynamic verb. You can use it. So you must avoid silly mistakes. Silly mistakes means the verbs that they don't take ing. You are not supposed to use these verbs in present continuous tense. When I say you are preparing for IELTS speaking, you must understand usage of grammar. You must understand usage of grammar. When I say usage, I mean to say इस्तेमाल. आपको बहुत अच्छी तरह से ग्रामर का यूसेज पता होना चाहिए. देखो रूल्स रट के हम बात नहीं कर पाएंगे, तो हमको यूसेज बहुत अच्छा करना है. अगर हमको यूसेज समझ में आया तो हम बहुत अच्छी तरह से कर पाएंगे. व्हाट इज यूसेज दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड? आई एम गिविंग एग्जांपल. मैं बात कर रहा हूँ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस और मैं बात कर रहा हूँ सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. तो स्पीकिंग में आपको बहुत स्पीकिंग के 3 स्टेजेस होते हैं. फर्स्ट स्टेज में आपका इंट्रोडक्शन होता है. सेकंड स्टेज में आपको जनरल क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं. जनरल क्वेश्चन क्या होता है? लाइक टेल मी अबाउट योर फैमिली, लाइक टेल मी अबाउट योर पास्ट लाइफ, और व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट हिल स्टेशन. वेरी वेरी जनरल क्वेश्चन दैट दे आस्क. सो नाउ व्हेन एप्लीकेशन की बात करेंगे तो सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस मुझे पता है, बट यू मस्ट नो वी यूज सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस फॉर रूटीन वर्क. We also use simple present tense for headlines of the newspaper. We also use simple present tense for running commentary. Okay, and speaking, second thing, simple past tense, we use it for any action of the past. We use it for describing personality of the past. So this is a usage. What is usage of simple present tense? Routine work, headlines of the newspaper, running commentary. Simple past tense, what is usage? Any action of the past for describing any past personality, any past action. So this is very very important. You must understand structure. Because if you understand the application of structure, the usage of structure, फिर आपकी गलतियां बहुत कम होगी. आपकी गलतियां बहुत कम होगी. पहले तो अगर आप जीरो से भी शुरुआत करें तो ये माइंडसेट में कभी मत लाना कि मैं गलतियां करूंगा, और स्ट्रक्चर का यूसेज फोकस कीजिए. Because if you focus on usage of structure, you'll be very good with English. And then something very very important, communication. आप जब भी IELTS में बात करोगे, स्पीकिंग जब आपका होगा, तब 3 चीजें हमेशा याद रखना. Keep your English very simple. Keep your English very simple. Try to be prompt with answer saying okay, yes. Use proper fillers when it's required in your communication. When that interviewer is communicating with you, communicate with that. And very very important thing in communication, that you must remember, you must have a nice flow of thought when you speak. You must have a nice flow of thought when you speak. And something which is very very important in IELTS speaking, never use any accent. Never use any accent. IELTS, International English Language Test System. What is IELTS? International English Language Test System. So when you are going to US, you are not supposed to use American accent. You can use neutral accent, that is perfectly fine. So in IELTS speaking, you must avoid using any accent. Try to be neutral, because neutral English is required everywhere. Rather, all over the globe, people follow neutral English. So don't use any accent. What is accent? Americans say past, cast, last. So don't use that accent. It's very simple. Past, cast, last. And yes, whenever you are speaking in IELTS, be neutral. Be neutral. Use neutral tone. Use neutral tone in communication. That is very very important. So we discussed how to prepare for IELTS interview. The first point I discussed is mindset. In mindset, keep it always simple. Communication is very very important. Second thing, do 21 days practice of every day 7 minutes in front of mirror. Very very powerful thing, because that will build your mindset. That will build your mindset. Second stage, I said something which is very very powerful. Structure. Very very powerful. Structure. When I say structure, I mean to say you are not supposed to do the rules. You must understand the usage on application. Usage and application. Usage में मैंने example बोला था. We use simple present tense for, what is the usage of simple present tense? Routine work, headlines of the newspaper, running commentary. Simple past tense for describing any personality of the past. For talking about any event of the past, there we use simple past tense. And in communication, I discussed in detail, you must be very very simple. You must use fillers. When an interviewer communicates with you, say okay, good, yes ma'am, I understand that. So use that filler. And yes, very very important, do not use, very important, do not use any accent. अभी देखो बात करते करते मैंने बोला very very important. So I'm not supposed to use very 2 times. Just 1 time I can use very. तो deliberately मैंने वो किया था ताकि आप उसको याद रखो. तो not very very important, very important. Then don't use any accent. When I say accent, never speak like Americans or British. Be yourself, use neutral accent and speak in neutral English. What is the conclusion? What is very very important? Because when you want to score very good grades in IELTS, you must be simple, you must be effective, you must understand application of structure, and very important thing, you must be confident in English. That's what they all think of, and that's what you all must have. So best of luck for your IELTS preparation. Keep it up. The areas where I have shared, please focus on them. In my second edition, we are going to talk about how to face IELTS interview. Your overall IELTS speaking is minimum 11 minutes and maximum 13 minutes. So in that 11 and 13 minutes, they are going to judge you. So don't prepare for speaking before 3 days of the interview. Prepare minimum 21 days in advance, and every day 7 minutes will build your communication in a systematic manner. So best of luck, people, those who are preparing for IELTS speaking. Thank you.